Alright everybody, I'm going to do a quick unboxing video. Sorry if the video quality's not that good. I'm just kind of excited. I actually started to open it and I was like, I'm going to get on video real quick, so see what we got here. Ordered it like 3 days ago. Actually showed up pretty quick, but I've been so impatient waiting for this to come in. Hold on 1 second, I'm gonna change angles. That's what it looks like from the paper. Wrapped it up. All right. Unwrap this. Hold on, let me take this off. Wow, there it is. Kind of like a slight rubberized texture feeling on that. I don't know. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Just from the outside, it looks really, really nice. Alright, so here it is. First time taking it out of the sheath. Decent little bit of resistance. Got a nice sharp. Let's do it. Feels pretty solid. Give you guys a close up here. Nice and sharp. I think it needs wiped down. It's got some, I don't know if you can put up in the video, but there's some like specks on it. I don't know if it's just like bits of stuff off the sheath. Not sure if you call it a sheath or a scabbard. This is my first ever Tanto. Probably not saying that right either. So if you don't know, this is the Tanto by Dragon King. It's part of their modern series. They bought it off of Cold of Athena. And like I said, it only took them about 3 days for them to get it here from the time we ordered it and shipped. So far, it feels pretty nice. Nice and solid, lock up. Not had any real experience with these, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. Sorry, like I said, I just got it. I literally just dropped it off, and I was like, I'm gonna make a quick video on the unboxing of this. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll try to make like an updated video, maybe doing some, I don't know, water bottle cutting or something like that. So appreciate it. Thanks. Thirsty? Still got some in there. Oh, I missed.
Oh, got another bottle.
We do?
Yeah, that one.
Oh. I don't know if it'll cut. It was like empty.
It cut.